Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Whether you're here to compare apps, learn something new, or just stay updated, you're in the right place. Let's jump straight into it. The TickTalk 5 is a feature-rich smartwatch designed for children aged 3 and up, offering a blend of communication tools, safety features, and parental controls to keep families connected. Key features: communication, supports voice and video calls, text messaging, and group chats with parent-approved contacts. GPS tracking, utilizes GPS, Wi-Fi, and cellular signals, enhanced by AI-powered smart pin location correction for improved accuracy. Parental controls, allows parents to manage contacts, monitor activity, and set usage limits. Design, available in 4 colors: blue, gray, purple, and lime, with a durable build suitable for young users. Battery life, equipped with an 800 milliamp hour battery, offering up to 48 hours of typical use and up to 137 hours on standby. What's included? TickTalk 5 smartwatch, 2 screen protectors, USB charging cable, pre-installed SIM card, optional magnetic monster charging base for easy docking. User feedback. Parents appreciate the watch's robust communication features and the peace of mind provided by its safety tools. However, some have noted that GPS accuracy can vary, especially when relying on Wi-Fi or cellular signals alone. Additionally, the watch may become warm during extended use of features like video calls or music streaming. Pricing, device cost, approximately $159.99. Monthly service plans start at $9.99 for basic features, with a $15.99 plan offering additional data for activities like music streaming. Final thoughts. The TickTalk 5 stands out as a comprehensive smartwatch for kids, balancing connectivity and safety. Its combination of communication tools and parental controls makes it a strong contender for families seeking a reliable device to keep in touch with their children. For a visual overview, check out this detailed review.